Hey you guys, it's Shundara. What is up? And welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you thumbs up this video and make sure you're following me on all my social media sites. In today's video, I have an unboxing for you, and it's a Tatcha unboxing. So yeah, let's just get into it. Happy day after Thanksgiving. And if you're not seeing this video on Thanksgiving, girl, just skip this part, pretend you didn't see it. So I was really excited to get this box because I tried a sample of Tatcha's Dewy Skin Cream. So then I went to stock. Well, I already have their water cream. Y'all know how I feel about Tatcha. I really like their product. Let me just open this big old box and then we could talk about what shipping was like, because y'all know I love to give details on shipping just in case you've never shopped at Tatcha. So when you open it, this is their bento Christmas box, and it comes with a beautiful card like this, and of course I got 3 complimentary samples. But Tatcha, for $88, you could have gave me at least a full-size. Kiehl's was $90 for their Advent calendar, and they gave me 5 deluxe samples plus something in the pouch. You, on the other hand, gave me 3 complimentary samples. No, Tatcha, I need more. So this is what it looks like. You get 3 samples. I kind of want to start a series on my channel with samples, but I don't know if y'all would like that. So let me know in the comments if you're watching this video. And it's a card, a handwritten card. It says, "Dear Shundara, your joy is a gift to us always, Tatcha." How do you know I'm a joy? You don't know that, Tatcha. I'm not. I'm the Scrooge right now for you being messy. Anyways, I was gonna get all dolled up in this video, and I said, you know, let me get dolled up, put some makeup on, put some hair on, and then I decided not to because I want to try this box with you guys and put some of this stuff on my face, so I didn't want to get dolled up. Anyways, this is what the box looks. Anyways, this is what the box looks like. It comes like this. It's a pretty thick box of goodies. This is what the box looks like. It's just the purple wrapping. If you guys can see the purple wrapping. Okay, just set that to the side. Okay, you guys, I officially cut it open. But can we talk about this box? So when I got the confirmation that they were going to ship my order, because it took about 3 days because they have a large volume because it's Christmas, so it's taking them a little longer. So when I got the confirmation that this was going to ship to me, I was like, because you guys know I kind of equate Tatcha with Tiffany's, meaning that their pieces of skincare come in such beautiful packaging. It reminds me of Tiffany's. It just does. That's my personal opinion. Tiffany ships FedEx. So I was like, Tatcha, are you going to ship FedEx? So I looked at it. Why did this ship USPS? Tatcha is out here shipping $88 products. USPS. Kiehl's ships UPS. I was under the assumption that we were going to get complimentary FedEx shipping, 2-day shipping. No, we got complimentary USPS shipping. Now, if you are from a different country, USPS shipping is like, it's like government ghetto shipping. So they ship my expensive $88 products ghetto shipping. I have nothing to say. For all y'all who work at USPS, I love you. This is just I really thought it was coming FedEx. I'm shocked. Anyways, it did come 2-day shipping, and I will say this about USPS just to defend them. Let me just get this out real quick. If you lose a package, they will help you right away, and some of their customer service is so nice. But I am genuinely a nice person when talking to anyone in customer service and retail positions. I'm very nice. I thank them for anything they do for me. I am just that type of girl. I have to thank you because I know how hard it is out here with these messy people. So let's open it. I want to open it with you guys. So this is what it looks like. It says, "May your holidays brighten with a warm spirit, your skin sparkle and glow, and the love in this gift be something you always know." That's kind of cute. So this is what I got. This is their Skin Delight set. I really wanted their Bento hydration set, but it was sold out. So I was going to wait till Black Friday to see if they had a deal on this, but they were saying only a few left, so I decided to get it. Their Dewy Skin Cream, their Tatcha Essence, their Rice Polish Gentle, and also their Pure One Step Camilla Cleansing Oil. So we're just gonna go ahead and try the essence. Oh my god, Tatcha, I don't want to break the box. I paid $88 for it. It's so cute. So I really like the fact that it came Wednesday when it was supposed to came Friday, and they shipped it out Monday. So Tatcha, go ahead with USPS. You doing something good there. At least you're not Kylie. Send it FedEx and then send it USPS. At least you straight up just send it USPS. I got to give it to you for that because it's 2-day shipping. It's quicker. Anyways, with that being said, so we're going to try this product, which is their Tatcha Essence. I've never tried it, so we could try it together on camera. It doesn't smell like anything to me. It really doesn't smell like anything at all, you guys. So, I mean, it doesn't smell at all. Right now, my skin, it looks plump, but it's probably looking plump from after Thanksgiving dinner. So I don't know how I feel about it. It is soft. I will say my skin has become soft. It was dry because all I did was put some water on my skin, get on camera because I was so excited to open this with you guys. So it is really soft. My skin does feel soft. It feels like just like a baby's bottom with the skin softener. So I am going to give it to them with the essence. But now let's open the product. I am excited to finally get after trying a sample, and that is the Tatcha Dewy Skin Cream to add to my Tatcha's Water Cream collection. So this is what the Dewy Skin Cream looks like. Here is the beautiful spout, and all Tatcha products have this little rice paper that they put on the side to let you know that it ain't open. And yeah, let's open it. I am so excited to finally get my hands on the Dewy Skin Cream. There you have it. That is the Dewy Skin Cream. I don't know if it's doing justice. Let me turn the light down. Oh my god. So there you have it. That is the Dewy Skin Cream. I'm gonna go ahead and put all this on my face. Okay, so I'm just gonna scrape the tab of it because this is $68. So you know I have to scrape just the tab of it, and then I'll rub it into my skin. Okay, you guys, I will say this goes on just like butter. It smells just like Tatcha's Water Skin Cream, except it doesn't go on like water. It goes on like literal butter. It has that very velvety, soft, luxurious, smooth feeling to the skin. Oh my god, I am so happy. So this is what my skin looks like. My skin literally feels like butter. I don't know if it's the combination of the Tatcha Essence mixed with the Dewy Skin Cream, but my skin literally feels like butter. Like, oh my god, look at my beautiful buttery skin. Oh my god, it's so velvety smooth, you guys. Like, wow, I am in love. That is it for the skincare Tatcha unboxing. I love Tatcha's whole theme, the way it's, oh, we love you so much, you know, because in the society we live in today, especially the social media world, you know, I'm not an Instagram baddie. I'm not your typical average. You know, I'm really quirky, weird, and I love skincare, so you won't see too much like bam, bam, bam on this channel because that's just not my style. It's never been, it never will be. I genuinely like to have fun. So in a day and age where we live in a society where we always have to be the best, or we always have to look like an Instagram baddie, nice and refreshing to see a company when you buy their skincare items to just be so thankful and grateful for you. Whoever wrote the handwritten note, it's a lovely touch. I really love Tatcha's products. No matter what people say, they do a lot for the price. So I bought my water cream from Sephora and I bought the Dewy Skin Cream from Tatcha. Sephora gave me way less product in my water skin cream than Tatcha gave me in my dewy skin cream. So I'm thinking I may need to stop shopping at Sephora, even though I don't. Like, literally, the product I got, I might as well have been shopping on eBay. And I thought it was normal for the product to be half the amount at Sephora. So I don't know what is going on at Sephora or what Sephora is doing. They charging way less. Their discounts and their sales are way less than they used to be. And they're upcharging us. So I don't know. I may have to start shopping at the brands because the brands give free things out anyway. This is a deluxe sample. This is Tatcha Harper. But to Kiehl's, this is a deluxe sample. They gave me 5 of these plus a wash rag in a Kiehl's box with my 90-day calendar. So I don't know. I don't know if shopping at Sephora for skincare is really, you know, all that anymore. I don't know. It's good to get your stuff in one spot. I am going to go ahead and give Ulta a try next year. But anyways, I'm going to stop rambling. Y'all know I am a huge fan of Tatcha. Tatcha, put me on your PR list. Tatcha, I know I'm not big yet, but what's good, Tatcha? What's good? That being said, you guys, I want to thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you're having a wonderful holiday and don't spend all your money. Anyways, you guys, I love you so much and I'll see you in our next video. Bye, you guys. Mwah.